Pine Ridge Middle School. September 17th car show will feature a couple cars this go around, maybe do a full-length video at the same time or after. This is a Beast. I believe it's a 66. Kind of dark in there, but and along we're at it, here's another Mopar right beside it. Very nice car. They must have rode in together here.